Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to the Automation Expo. What you see is our AuRo Alliance booth. AuRo is a business association amongst robotics fraternity for the world. We have focus areas into creating more awareness, increasing and enhancing safety parameters and safety benchmarks, enhancing business amongst its members, and ensuring bigger and higher adoption for robots. Welcome to the AuRo Alliance booth once again here at Automation Expo. What you see here are the three founding members of the Alliance. I'll start from the right. You see Taikisha India Robotics making AMRs from 250 kilograms all the way to 5,000 kilograms. We have a beautiful Taikisha robot right behind me, followed by Virya Autonomous Technology Systems, making tug, tow, and pallet truck robots. You will see a 2-ton autonomous pallet truck robot also behind us, and followed by Peppermint Robotics, which focuses on commercial floor cleaning robots. Once again, thank you, and you are welcome to booth on the AuRo Alliance in Hall 3D3. Thank you.